Luxury meets innovation. Power meets sustainability. The future of mobility is here. Presenting the 2025 Avinya X Premium SUV, where elegance and technology redefine the driving experience. The Avinya X is a masterpiece of modern engineering. A bold, futuristic silhouette that commands attention. Its signature front grille with illuminated accents showcases a refined yet aggressive stance. The flush door handles, seamless body lines, and panoramic glass roof create a design language that's both sophisticated and aerodynamic. Underneath the hood lies a revolutionary all-electric powertrain, equipped with dual motors delivering 20 horsepower. The Avinya X accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just x.x seconds. Adaptive air suspension ensures a cloud-like ride, while intelligent all-wheel drive provides unmatched traction and stability in all conditions. Powered by next-gen solid-state battery technology, the Avinya X boasts an impressive range of over 30 miles on a single charge. Fast charging, just 15 minutes, gives you up to 30 miles of range. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a sanctuary of comfort and innovation. Sustainable vegan leather, handcrafted wood trims, and an expansive 30-inch OLED infotainment display create an ambience of pure luxury. Avinya X is more than just a vehicle. It's your intelligent companion. AI-powered voice control, a 360-degree immersive audio system, and a seamless head-up display ensure you stay connected without distractions. For the rear passengers, business class comfort awaits. Executive lounge seating with customizable massage modes and ambient lighting sets the perfect mood for relaxation. Safety is at the heart of the Avinya X, equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving, an advanced LiDAR system, and 360-degree cameras. This SUV ensures peace of mind on every journey. Park Assist Pro takes care of even the trickiest parking spots with a touch of a button. The 2025 Avinya X Premium SUV, where luxury, sustainability, and technology unite to create the ultimate driving experience. Are you ready to embrace the future? Book your Avinya X today.